Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, February the 17th, 2023, and we already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, and those are the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. But you are not interested in this one, but in the binary. Yes, the binary puzzle number 5979. 5979. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, let me think. We have here 3 1s in this row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Still, we have 3 1s in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Alright. And in this row, we have an O and a 1 there with 2 boxes between. Yeah. If you see an O and a 1 with 2 boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Alright. Then, let me think. Yeah. We have 2 completed columns, 1 completed row, and the question is, we have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one in this row here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. If I place number 4 here then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Alright. We have double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Well, and now we need to think. Yeah. And the question is, which column can I compare? Well, cannot compare this column because we have a double 1 here, and there's no completed columns with a double 1 there. How about the rows then? Double 1 here. Almost the same, this one. How about double O here? Almost the same here. Almost the same. How about 1 0 1. Yeah. Need to think. It's almost the same. Well. Come on. Where's the opening? Need to compare the columns then. But we have not enough digits here. Only, well, these two maybe. But we have a double one here. Here we have a double one. Ah, this column. And that column. Let me compare. Empty box 00111000011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. And no, between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and fourth O. So these two boxes should be a 1 then. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 6 minutes. Wow. Only one time comparing. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now.